Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to find duplicates in an array, right? So the question is very simple. An array is given. You just have to say what all are the elements that have duplicates in this array. Okay, so let's read the question from the beginning. Given an array A of size n which contains elements from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so the elements are in the range of 0 to n minus 1. Okay, you need to find all the elements occurring more than once in the given array. Return the answer in ascending order. Okay, so the answer should be in sorted order. Okay, if no such element is found, return list containing -1. Okay, fine. If there is no duplicates, we will be returning -1. Okay, so let's look at the examples given. So 0, 3, 1, 2, there is no duplicates in this array, so we are just returning -1, right? Okay, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 2 is there, but 2 came again, right? So 2 is a duplicate, right? So 2 is having duplicates. So 2 is in the output. Okay, 3 is also having duplicates because there are two 3's, right? So 3 is there in the output. Okay, 2 and 3 occur more than once in the given array. Okay, they just gave the explanation. So the question is very simple. This, let's say this is an array, and we just have to find those elements that are occurring more than once, right? So let's count the occurrence, right? So 2 is occurring how many times? Once, twice here. So 2 is occurring 2 times. Okay, so let's go for 3. 3 is occurring once, twice, so 2 times, right? For 1 is occurring once only. So we understood that we are just counting the occurrence and we are just checking, like, if the occurrence is more than 1. If it is more than 1, we will say that the element is having duplicates. Why? Because see, 2 is here, 2 is in some other position. There can be 2 here also. Still 2 is having duplicates, right? If there is only one 2, that means there is no duplicate of this element. So the frequency or the occurrence, the frequency of 2, if it is a 1, that means it doesn't have any duplicates. But if it is more than 1, that means that element is having duplicates. So the first part is solved. So basically, to find duplicates, okay, we can find the duplicates using which data structure? To count frequency, which data structure do we use? We use map, and then we will be counting the frequency. We will be counting the frequency, and then we will iterate through the map and check those elements that are having frequency more than 1. But there is one more condition. There is one more condition. That is the result. The result should be sorted. The result should be sorted because it is clearly mentioned that the answer should be in ascending order. So we cannot go for unordered map, but in ordered map, the elements are stored in sorted order. Basically, the keys are stored in sorted way. So in this, the key is basically this. 2 is a key, 3 is a key, 1 is a key, right? So this will be written something like 1 is having frequency 1, 2 is having frequency 2, 3 is having frequency 2. So the keys will be in sorted way. So ultimately, the iteration will go something like this. First, it will check for 1. If it is greater than 1, we got the answer. But in this case, 1 is not the answer. Then it will check for 2. 2's frequency is more than 1, so it will take it. Now it moves to 3. 3's frequency is more than 1, so it will take this also. So first it took 2, then it took 3. So we should not use unordered map, but a normal map we are going to use. It's basically ordered map. So the code is pretty simple. It's right here. So first of all, we are maintaining a map, right, called frequency. That's the freq. And then we have to return answer in a vector form. So we are going to maintain a vector called answer. Now we are iterating through this ARR. right? And we are just counting the frequency, right? So frequency of ARR of I will be incremented. Basically, we are counting the occurrence. In this, we are iterating the frequency map. So see, iteration is happening in the sorted way. Why? Because we have used map, not unordered map. We didn't use this. So this iteration will be happening in sorted way, in ascending order. So it dot second will give the value or the frequency, and it dot first will be giving the key or the element, right? So if the frequency is greater than 1, that means we are going to store this element in the answer. At the end, we are going to check if answer dot size equals to 0, then return -1, which basically means if we didn't get any duplicates, we are going to return something like -1. Otherwise, return answer. Since we are maintaining a map, since since we are maintaining a map data structure, this operation will be taking log n time complexity, and this entire loop will run for n time. So overall, the time complexity will be n log n. And for space complexity, we are maintaining a frequency and then a vector. But this is not counted since this is not an extra space. But frequency map is an extra space. So at worst case, if all the elements are unique, it will be having n size. So the space complexity will be off and at the worst case. So that's it for the video. I hope you got the intuition and also the implementation. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see ya.